I don't know how.
Yeah.
Okay, like I have like differentiated this online and offline payment mode, but
Okay.
I don't know how to get the order this one address and different payment method, because when
Okay.
I'm grouping it, I'm getting everything together. So how to write the code for this? Because I can
Yeah,
see
yeah.
the in the
Actually, you have to use the if else statement.
if else statement.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Using the if else statement, uh, it may be given in the statement, like if you are entering one, then this particular thing should come, like that, right?
okay.
Oh, so you should use that input, and with the help of that, if you are entering some number from your keypad, then
Mhm.
corresponding to that, an if else statement should be there. Like if you are entering one, then this thing should be performed, like that. Some bar
Okay, okay.
chart, pie chart you can use for that.
Yeah, that I got it. That was like first subtask 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that one, right?
Okay.
Yeah, like I'm not getting how to find, because I'm getting I have made the group by for this thing, shipping address and payment method, but
Okay.
it is a combination of everything. I can see here the test which is having both offline and online payment. So how to get this part
Count you
only,
can
like,
use. If if you can stop sharing, I can say, show you the code.
okay, 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 ma'am. And last one more doubt, like I like unexpected
Unexpected,
international
like
order. Yeah,
IND is the code,
yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah. So
yeah. So
which
do
are not in
I?
IND, you can choose that one.
Ma'am, is this code is right? I have tried it, but I'm getting error.
Some issue is there, I will show my code.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, sure, ma'am. I'll
Okay.
stop sharing. Yeah.
Wait a second now.
Yes, ma'am.
What I have done is that I have actually made this 5.0 star rating as simplified. Like that, I have made the unique values into numerical. Or you can do one more
This,
thing, you can split them. This is one way, you can split them and you can make it as numeric with the help of float. That is another way.
ma'am, this was not the task.
This was not the task, like different
No,
payment
it
method.
was no. That was this one. This one was the second task. No, not that third task.
Oh, sorry, it was fake. Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, so actually what I have done is I have used this particular if else statement and for loop for it,
Okay,
like this.
okay,
They
okay.
are not same, then it is being noted, and finally, wait a second. This is regarding payment, and I'm going to,
Okay,
okay, this is regarding unusually large order. Sorry,
okay,
these items are in that category.
okay,
I have used if else statement. You can use any another way also.
okay, okay.
Like enter a number. If the number is
Yes.
one, then do this kind of analysis like that.
Mm-hmm. Can you show me that first part of
Yes,
coding?
yes, sure. Go through it.
Uh,
Yeah, here.
Okay.
I have renamed, I mean, I have taken this column and renamed it.
Okay. Okay.
This is the data set.
Okay. Can you scroll down then? Little
Okay.
bit to see.
Then after that, a new data set is made.
Okay.
And actually, this is the condition, right? Billing address not equal to shipping address.
Not equal. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, other were all, I mean, only the street address is compared, because rest of the things will be same only.
Okay.
And
Data set.
to that, actually it is appended there.
Okay.
And regarding multiple order also same thing, same kind of program, but only the thing
Okay.
is that like multiple order of same item now.
Okay.
So this is regarding the unusually large order,
Usual
20,000
large
actually,
order.
20,000
Okay.
is the
20,000.
price.
I can see. Okay.
And regarding multiple orders, I have used this
Okay.
code. Rest part is the same, only the condition is
Okay.
getting changed.
Okay. Okay.
And here
Okay,
IND
ma'am.
is used, IND for shipping country.
And okay, I not equal to I. Okay. Ma'am.
That is noted as, I mean, which is not of this particular value, IND.
Yes.
They are taken as international orders. I
Okay.
have saved all of them. Whatever new columns that I have created, I have saved all of them, made a new data set. Okay,
Okay.
and I have saved it as an Excel sheet also.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am. Okay.
Then I have done the rest of the part, the
Yeah.
analysis
Yeah. Yeah. That I
using
got it.
count plot.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Everywhere count plot is used.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. I hope it is
Thank
clear.
you. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Yeah. Anything else?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, I have doubt in fifth question of task one, how to extract numbers from PDF. I have doubt that which data set we have to use in that.
Any data set you can use. You can make your own data set and you can extract
Any
one of them.
specific from your shop, or we
No, no, no,
can do
no.
it by,
You're doing task one, right?
yeah.
No, that is not necessary. You can take any.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. No, thank you.
Yesterday, ma'am, yesterday I was
Yeah.
showing my task. So, can I share my screen?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, these are the products. Like what for whatever product you put the link,
Yes.
ma'am. This is like this will give the review. Like
Okay, you got it right. Okay, okay, great. You
yeah,
have done it via automation only, na?
yeah.
Okay, okay, no.
Like for whatever
Great,
product you
great.
put the link, it will give this.
Okay, sometimes it may show some problems, but don't worry about it. Like
Yeah, the some other screen comes here, so we have to close that and then the
sometimes it may disappear, although it is
yeah, yeah,
registered, it
yeah,
may disappear. It happens.
yeah,
But when you're trying again and again, somehow it will work out.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes,
I
correct.
noticed. Okay.
Okay.
So, ma'am, will you assign me the next task? I will share you this.
You're from which group?
I am 30.
30.
Yeah,
This
data
is
science.
your task number
6.
6.
Yeah.
What are the rest of the tasks that you have done? Personal task you have done. Then EDA is also done.
Yeah.
Take
After
where
that,
is done.
yeah, main product gets a product
Then
that
banner, blog,
yeah,
and that part is done.
yeah, yeah,
And the sorting of files are done.
yes.
And this one
Then
is
that was
also
the
done.
last
So
task I
this is the sequence of your task. Okay. Now the
yeah.
next thing, you can go with counting the number of products in categories and subcategory. That is not given to you, na?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will assign that in your group. Wait a second. Your group number is 30, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you got it. Ayush?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Oh, sorry, Mritu.
So, ma'am, how should I share this file?
Which file? Excel sheet
This
that you are
task,
making.
this task, yeah, the task
You
I
send
currently.
me the same way that I told earlier. Na, you in a particular folder, you upload all your files and I mean you copy paste all your files, whether it is an exe file, IPY, NBPY file, anything, and Excel sheet also. And then after that, you upload the folder in your drive and send me the link corresponding to that folder
Okay, fine.
in my mail ID, pemyarish@gmail.com.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, anything else, guys?
Can you
Hello,
text your
ma'am.
mail ID?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, I've got a different task tree. Sir gave me that task, and we posted a different task tree in our group.
Wait, I will come back to you. Yeah, what was the issue?
Ma'am, sir gave me a different task tree. Like I've not been working for 15 days on my task, but I did a little part of that one. But you gave something different in our
Task
group.
3. What was the
Yeah, group.
statement of the task?
Ma'am, you gave something fake buyer identification, something like that, and sir
Okay.
gave me scrapping of image, extract the link
It
of.
depends. Like for different groups, task may be different. Okay.
No,
So you
ma'am,
please ask your teammates like what they got during that time and all.
yeah, ma'am. But actually, only I did at that time. I finished the task too, so sir
Your
gave me.
voice is not clear. Speak loudly.
Ma'am, actually, at that time, I had finished my task two, and people were doing. So, sir gave me that task three, and like recently, you gave a different task three for everyone. So, I was asking which one should I
Don't
do?
worry. If you have started your task 3, go ahead with it and
Okay, okay,
do
ma'am.
this task as your task 4. No problem.
Okay,
The
okay,
thing
ma'am.
is that how somehow the task will get shuffled, and in the end you have to present all the tasks. That's it.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Anything else, guys?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to close the meeting. I hope you are all working really good for your tasks. So happy learning, guys.
Sure,
Bye
ma'am.
all. Yeah.